Cultural twinning. A journey from the urban terrains, fertile with Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, and the mesmerizing Puram, to the land of refreshing greenery, tea estates, and paddy fields. An unusual interaction between two different cultures. Samagra Shiksha Kerala initiated this journey from Thrissur to Wayanad as a part of the program titled Cultural Twinning. The focus of Samagra Shiksha in the academic year 2019-2020 was on facilitating learning through intercultural interaction between learners belonging to different cultural backgrounds. This program enabled them to make friends with each other irrespective of the differences in their geographical locations, living environment, ways of living, belief systems, and even art and culture. The urban guests from Thrissur were received in the government school Odappalam, situated close to the wildlife sanctuary in Wayanad. After a customary welcome, each group introduced their district to the other group with the help of pictures and videos. Preparations for the presentations had been started weeks ago. Each group made detailed studies about their land and collected enough data for the presentation. In subgroups, they prepared presentations on various areas such as geographical features, history, places of importance, art, language, cuisine, dialect, rituals, environment, dress code, habitats, etc. The children from Thrissur gave a brief account of their rich cultural tradition, the Puram, the pomp and splendor of the celebrations, cuisines, etc. In return, the guests were introduced to the geography, peculiarities, tourist attractions, rich flora and fauna, tribal living habitats, and the traditional agricultural methods of Wayanad. In the evenings, each district group performed their music, rhythm, and dance forms. Local performers also joined them. Most of the tribal children were witnessing Puligali, The participation of parents, public, and people's representatives was another speciality of the program. Cultural twinning programs in the same line were conducted in all the other districts of the state.